Hey, hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 9 September 2020. இது எடிட்ல போயிரும்ல. Here we got function getProduct. Okay. The function or method should accept two arguments, size and array. Okay, that makes sense. The size is nothing but a size of an array and array is nothing but an array. Okay. We just need to return 1 for product of positive number and negative 1 if the product is negative number and 0 if the return is 0.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, fuck. I'll solve this. We can make this one liner in Python, so we'll forgive the question. Let's solve this in a programmatical way. Come on. What? We are getting C for this shit code? Oh my god. Okay. As I have started recording, I can't be able to stop it. Like I can, but it's kind of time consuming. So let me solve this. Fine. You want SKIDMARK. Okay, for this problem we just need to return -1, positive and 0, right? So why don't we just need to create a variable and we just need to store or make all those product like that. So if we found negative number, we'll change the flag to negative. If we found positive, we don't do anything. If we found 0, we'll make the flag 0 and we'll stop the iteration because it's a product, and whenever we encounter 0, the everything will be 0, right? So int flag equal to, actually I just need to name the flag something else, some F word. Okay, for int I equal to 0, I smaller than n, which is nothing but size, right? They have used the size, so I have changed the size into n. If you want, you can use size, or else you can go with n. I plus plus. So if array of I is equal to 0, just return 0. That's it. Otherwise, else if array of I is lesser than 0, let me put my flag value as 1 here. Flag star equal to -1. So just change the sign of flag whenever you encounter negative values. Finally return flag. So if I save and run this, we will get gcc main.c, and we are not getting any compilation errors. So time to execute. Okay, what will be the input, right? Here 4. Okay, 4 1 2 -3 4. So now we got -1 4 1 -1 -1 1. We got 1, fine, and 0, sorry for the value 4, 0 1 2 3, we got 0. So that's it for today's video. But Instead of making this thing as a usual, why don't we go with something else? Flag is equal to array of I is greater than 0 minus array of I less than 0. So if I say one on this, what will we gonna get? gcc main.c, time to execute. 4 1 2 3 4, we got 1. My 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, we got minus 1. That's weird. It should be, yeah, the flag should be updated with, okay, fine, it won't work. Like this is a positive, it will return positive, and for the case like we can remove this, it will work for, like it will return the array element is positive or negative. So this will work if the product is positive or negative. Like for the case, if array of I for input 0, if array of I is greater than 0, no, so it just return 0, minus array of I is smaller than, like 0 is smaller than 0, no, it will return 0, so we will get 0, right? And for the 1 is greater than 0, obviously, so 1 minus 1 is lesser than 0, no, 0, it will give 1. And for negative 1, it will return 0 here because negative 1 is not greater than 0 and negative 1 is smaller than 0, right? So minus 1 will give you the value minus 1. And this is not only for minus 1 and positive 1, it will work for n values, right? So if we just made the for loop with the product, like product equal to 1, we just need to return this guy at a return statement like this, and it should be product, right? Product product. Okay, if you want, you can use the flag part. So inside this loop, we just need to make the product as a product star equal to array of I. So it's time for us to save and run this, which is nothing but simply checking gcc main.c, executing for the value 4, 1 2 3 4, we getting 1, for value 4 with negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, we are getting 1. It's working fine this time. For value 4, minus 1, 1 1 1, we are getting minus 1. And for value 0 1 2 3, before that I just need to specify 4, we are getting 0. Like C just take n inputs, it don't care about new line or spaces, so it will work fine, like 4 and 0 1 2 3, like that. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. You can use either one of these, like this is a usual pattern, right? So just why don't we try something new? That's why I have used this. So hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.